I turned my cat Barnaby into a character from Bridgerton using the EufyMake E1 UV printer. I backed this printer on Kickstarter, and this thing is a beast of a machine. And I want to show you how you can print photos onto a wood canvas. And it's actually a lot cheaper than you probably think. Alright, so we have our pet portrait here, and I'm gonna do the flat craft mode. I'm gonna do white to CMYK. I'm gonna do 3 white and 1 CMYK just because I don't need it completely covered. I think honestly even 2 white layers would have been fine. Then we can print it out, and it's gonna take less than 30 minutes to do this 12 by 16 frame. Honestly, I am loving the EufyMake, even though I still have not received all of my Kickstarter order. I'm only able to use this because I bought ink off of another user nearby me, but the colors that this thing can produce is amazing, and I love how it pops. Okay, we're ready to do our second picture now, so I am going to click off of it, and I have the standard bed chosen, so let's hit Snapshot, and then this is going to measure the height, and that way we can get a placement for where we put our artwork. Alright, now we have a snapshot of our blank here, and so I can just drag my artwork over here to make sure it covers, and I do want to just angle this just a little bit since my canvas is angled. And then this one, I'm gonna do a test with no white underneath just to see the difference between the two. And then we're still gonna do flat, and then we can hit print. And so it'll send the file to the device. Alright, so then it'll make a little chime, and you can either hit start here or on the machine. And it's gonna take under 20 minutes, so that's awesome. Alright, by having no white, it gives it a much more vintage look to where it actually looks like it's one of those old-timey paintings. So it's just gonna depend on what kind of look you want. I personally would do at least 1 coat of white just so that there's a little bit more of the underbase, but honestly, it looks pretty cool. They both look pretty good, honestly. Which one looks better, my sister's dog or my cat Barnaby? I don't know, they're both pretty cool. So this one just looks more vintage. I love how this thing turned out, and the possibilities are absolutely endless with this kind of technology. If you want to grab one of these machines for yourself, check out the links down below.